Hello everyone. This is our project titled Intelligent E-commerce with Conversational AI Integration. This project focuses on enhancing the traditional e-commerce experience by integrating artificial intelligence, especially conversational AI, to make online shopping more interactive, personalized, and user-friendly. In recent years, e-commerce has grown rapidly due to the increasing use of the internet and smartphones. People prefer online shopping because it is convenient, time saving, and provides access to a wide range of products. However, despite these advantages, most current platforms still lack intelligent interactions. Users often depend on manual search, filters, and static product descriptions. This process can be time consuming and sometimes confusing, especially when users are unsure about what they want. To overcome these limitations, our project introduced a conversational AI chatbot that interacts with users in a human-like manner. This chatbot helps users by understanding their needs, providing suggestions, giving detailed product information, offering personalized discounts. Thus, our system transforms the shopping experience from a static process into an interactive and intelligent one. Although e-commerce platforms are widely used, they still face several challenges. Firstly, there is a lack of real-time communication between the user and the system. Users cannot ask questions directly as they would in a physical store. Secondly, personalization is limited. Most platforms recommend products based only on basic browsing history, which may not accurately reflect user preference. Thirdly, there is no intelligent pricing mechanism. Prices are fixed, and users do not have the flexibility to negotiate or receive dynamic offers. Additionally, users often struggle to find suitable products quickly, especially in categories like fashion and beauty, where personal preference plays a major role. Therefore, there is a strong need for an intelligent e-commerce system that can user intent and provide real-time assistance. The primary objectives of our project are to design and develop an intelligent e-commerce platform, to integrate a conversational AI chatbot, to provide personalized product recommendations based on user interactions, to implement a smart pricing mechanism that offers dynamic discounts, to include essential e-commerce functionalities such as cart, wish list, and secure payment, to improve overall user engagement and satisfaction. In simple terms, our goal is to create a system that behaves more like a human assistant rather than just a product listing website. We conducted a detailed study of existing research works in the field of e-commerce and AI. One research paper focused on sentiment analysis of user reviews using machine learning techniques. It achieved good accuracy but did not include real-time interaction with users. Another study used deep learning modules such as BILSTM and CNN for extracting product information. Although effective, it mainly focused on back-end processing and lacked user interaction. Some researchers explored AI-based personalization and its impact on customer behavior. They showed that personalization improves user retention, but the systems did not include conversational AI or dynamic pricing. In the existing system, users' interactions are limited to clicks and searches. Recommendations are not highly personalized. No chatbot support is available. Pricing is fixed and non-flexible. In contrast, our proposed system provides real-time conversational interaction, intelligent recommendations based on user input, smart pricing and discount mechanisms, a more engaging and user-friendly interface. This makes our system more efficient, interactive, and closer to real-world shopping experience. Our system architecture consists of several interconnected components. At the front end, we have the user interface where users interact with the system. The back end handles all the processing logic, including authentication, chatbot interactions, and data retrieval. The chatbot module processes user queries and generates response using AI. The recommendation engine suggests products based on user preference and interaction history. The smart pricing model calculates discounts based on predefined rules. Finally, all data is stored and managed in the database, including user details, product information, and order history. This layered architecture ensures smooth communication between different components. At first, users register and log in. Then they interact with the chatbot. The chatbot analyzes the user preference like fashion type or product category. Based on this, the system recommends products and provides smart discounts. Finally, purchase details are stored securely in the database. Our system includes user authentication, product management, AI chatbot, user interest analysis, recommendation engine, smart pricing, and virtual try-on. First, I will demonstrate the authentication model. New users can register by entering their basic details such as name, email, and password. Existing users can log in securely using their credentials. We have implemented validation to ensure correct input and secure access. Once the login is successful, the user is redirected to the home page. This is the home page of our application called Smart Shop. Here, users can explore different product categories such as men, women, accessories, electronics, and beauty products. We have also provided a search bar and sorting options to help users quickly find products. Our system currently includes around 150 product datasets which are stored in the database and dynamically displayed on the interface. When a user selects a product, they can view details such as price, descriptions, and ratings. If they are interested, they can add the product to the cart. The cart keeps track of selected items and allows users to proceed to checkout. One of the key features of our project is the AI chatbot. Users can click on the AI chat option to interact with the system. The chatbot is powered by the API and responds in natural language. It can suggest products, provide styling advice, give product details, answer user queries. For example, when a user asks for a recommendation, the chatbot analyzes the request and provides relevant suggestions. This makes the shopping experience more interactive and engaging. Our system also includes a smart pricing feature. Instead of fixed price, the system provides dynamic discounts. For example, after multiple interactions with the chatbot, the user becomes eligible for a ₹100 discount. This feature is implemented using predefined rules to ensure the pricing remains controlled while improving user satisfaction. It simulates a real-world bargaining experience in an online environment. Now, I will explain the virtual try-on module of our project. The virtual try-on feature is designed to help users visualize how a product, especially clothing, would look on them before making a purchase. In traditional e-commerce platforms, users can only see product images, which creates uncertainty about fit and appearance. This often leads to dissatisfaction and product returns. To overcome this problem, our system introduced a virtual try-on functionality. In this module, users can either upload their image or select a predefined model. The system then overlays the selected clothing item onto the user's image. This is achieved using basic image processing techniques where the product image is aligned and adjusted to match the user's body position. Although our current implementation is a simplified version, it demonstrates how visualization can improve user confidence in online shopping. This feature enhances decision making as users get a better idea of how the product will look before purchasing. In future, this model can be further improved using advanced technologies such as augmented reality, real-time body mapping, deep learning based image rendering. This enhancement can provide a more accurate and realistic try-on experience. Overall, the visual try-on module adds value to our system by making online shopping more interactive and reliable. Now, I will demonstrate the checkout process. Users enter the delivery details such as name, address, phone number, PIN code and state. They can select a payment method such as cash on delivery, UPI and card payment. The system displays an order summary including the final price after applying discount. Once the user clicks place order, the order is processed and stored in the database. In conclusion, our project successfully demonstrates how AI can enhance e-commerce platforms. By integrating a chatbot, smart pricing and personalized recommendations, we provide a smarter and more engaging shopping experience. Our system transforms traditional e-commerce into an intelligent, interactive and user-friendly platform.